installed capacity in megawatt. And today I am going to talk about January 2020, and I always say, because the data available on the site of CA was up to January today, and that's why I am giving analysis up to January, and I will do the comparison with December 2021. If you look at that figure, that is very promising data. There are basically 5 regions. I start with northern, western, southern, eastern, northeastern region, and some islands are there, and there are 4 main constituents: thermal, nuclear, hydro and renewable energy sources. Again, the thermal have 4 different subpart: coal, lignite, gas, diesel. And now coming to the total installed capacity up to January 2022, it is 395 gigawatts, and out of that renewable resources contribution was 105 gigawatts, whereas for thermal 235, nuclear it was 6780 megawatt, hydro is 46,512 megawatts. And if you look at the same figure in different perspective, that is percentage of various sources to the total installed capacity, if you look at here, the percentage of thermal to that of total installed capacity is 59.7, whereas for nuclear it is 1.71, and hydro contribute 11.77 to the total installed capacity of India. And good figure, that is very promising figure, renewable resources contribute 26.79. The same is depicted by that pie chart also. Moving further, coming to the contribution of various sources of thermal to the total installed capacity of India January 2022. If you look at that figure, the contribution of coal is 51.6, lignite 1.67%, gas is 6.3, and diesel is 0.12. The same is depicted by pie chart on the right hand side. If we take thermal as 100% and we again talk about the contribution within the thermal resources, the coal contribute 86.242, lignite 2.8, gas is 10.55, and diesel contribution is 0.2. Moving further in our analysis, contribution of various sources of renewable. Okay, if we look at here, the small hydropower contribute 1.22, wind power contribute 10%, percentage of biopower is 2.68%, and percentage of solar is 12.73% out of total contribution of renewable in the total installed capacity. If we take renewable as 100%, the small hydro contribution is 4.5, whereas for wind it is 37.88, for biopower it is 10%, and solar contribute 47.52. The same is depicted by that pie chart on the right hand side. Now time to do comparison with respect to last month, that was December 2021, and we will compare it with January 2022. If you see the comparison region wise, there is plus change 1.21 in the northern region, western region 0.03, southern 0.47, Eastern region has decreased, it has gone in on the minus side, minus 0.63. For northeastern region and islands there is no change, and overall plus change is 0.43. Now going to do the percentage comparison of various sources to total installed capacity. If we talk about thermal, the thermal change is minus, it has reduced by 0.08%, nuclear has also decreased by 0.01, and hydro has again decreased by minus 0.05, but there is change in the renewable to the total installed capacity with respect to the December 2021, it is on the plus side 0.13. If we talk about the percentage comparison of various thermal resources, if you look at the figure, the coal was contributing 51%, and now the change is in minus 0.18. For lignite again it is 0.018. For gas it is again minus 0.069, and for diesel again it has come down minus 0.0001414. If you look at the total change in the various sources of thermal with respect to the previous month, there is a change, plus change in coal, whereas for lignite it is in minus, and if we look at the gas again it is in the minus, and for diesel again it is the minus. You can see the detailed analysis in the figure. Coming to the last comparison, percentage comparison of various renewable sources. If you look at the table and you compare it with December 21 with January 2022, for hydro, small hydro, there is minus change in minus 0.005. For wind it is minus 0.038. Biopower again it is in minus 0.0115, but for solar it is on the plus side 0.188. And if you look at the total contribution, if we take renewable as 100%, the hydro is in minus, wind is in minus, biopower is in minus, but there is change of 0.47% so far solar contribution to the total installed capacity is concerned. This was analysis from my side, and I tried to give that analysis, and I would like to say thank you everyone. Thank you once again for your support. Thank you.